Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So if you're not a subscriber and you've clicked on this video purely because of the title and the thumbnail, then maybe silver and gold and any precious metals in general is not a great investment vehicle for you. Silver and gold and any precious metals is not going to make you rich overnight. It's not going to 10x, it's not going to 20x, it's not going to 100x overnight. It's not a get quick rich scheme by any means. If you want to look for these sort of investments, go over to crypto, look at the meme coins, and you're going to end up losing yourself a lot of money. There's no way of getting rich quick. The only way to get rich is by getting rich slow, and it takes a long time. It takes dedication, it takes budgeting, it takes monthly investing, bit by bit, bit by bit, bit by bit. Okay, it really frustrates me when you see these thumbnails and these clickbait titles. Any precious metals is never ever going to make you rich overnight. It's a long-term store of wealth. It's a way of protecting yourself against inflation. So I just wanted to kind of do a quick video about this because it's frustrating me to see that people are putting this in the title. If you want a lottery ticket type investment, then like I said, crypto's the one you need to look at. They're the ones where you can make a 1000x overnight, but at the same time, they're the ones where you're going to lose all of your money overnight as well. So you need to look at precious metals as a long-term investment. You need to look at it like a hobby. It's a way of spending money without actually spending money. If you've got a money spending problem, then it's a way of spending money, satisfying your needs to shopping and buying things without actually spending money. And like I said, it's a way of long-term growing your wealth. You're never ever going to get rich overnight with precious metals. So do let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. I know it's a bit of a rant, but I'm just sick to death of seeing all these YouTube channels using clickbait titles, clickbait thumbnails just to get views when this is not what precious metals should be used for. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think I'm wrong and silver will skyrocket overnight? Or do you think I'm right and there's too many YouTube channels out there putting silly evaluations on silver just to draw in views? As always, thank you for watching my videos and I hope you have a nice day.